I'm 30. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, Black Saint. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Alright, so I'm gonna link up with Kako. I'm gonna show her how to day trade. I'm gonna send some really delicious stuff to my parents' crib. I feel really, really good on my birthday. I feel motivated. I'm happy. People already wishing me happy birthday. It's fantastic vibes. Oh, yeah. My schedule no notifications. It's February 7th, 9:55 a.m. I feel like $1 million out here. Last night I traded. I made a nice little $430 something in like 10-15 minutes. I could have taken it further, but I'm like, no, I'm gonna humbly accept that. You know what I mean? I made that 900 and something the other day, and honestly, the next day I made like a little 200 and something. Then I lost the bread. The next day I made that back. Like on top of the returned money, I made more last night. So yeah, whew, that would have been crazy. I was like, oh yeah, you know, I'm the greatest trader to walk the earth. It would have been insane if like I was down for the week. But yeah, I'm super up for the week. I'm gonna check in with y'all later.
It's a vegan chocolate.
Just had an awesome lunch with her. She brought me to this really cool spot. It was a surprise because there was like a birthday, like cake, dessert kind of thing for me. And I really, really appreciated it. It was really sweet. She also gave me a bunch of snacks. I'm going to show you what she gave me because she was like, you vegan. That's my ex-girlfriend, you feel me? She knows that I be going through it with vegan stuff out here in Japan. So I'm going to show y'all the snacks she hooked me up with. Sasuga Kako. Super sweet person. Anyway, let's go through the stuff I get. First off, y'all know how much I love poripi. Her dad gave me a shit ton of poripi on my way back to America back in 2019, and like I rationed it off. Kako gave me a bunch of poripi, assorted poripi, some new flavors I've never seen before either. Oh my god. This means a lot to me. So, poripi, shout out. Tea. This tea is freaking good. More tea. And guess what? More tea. And guess what? You'll never believe it. More tea. I'm a tea person. This is pumpkin soup. This is gonna be so good. This is like a cod roe flavored soup, but it's vegan. Pasta sauce, straight up vegan. This is like a cashew almond kind of sauce. Carrot kind of soup. Let's put this in the fridge. Next, ever egg. It's like a vegan egg thing. Japan tends to have really delicious vegan food, so that's gonna be great. Oh, this is some kind of like a bean candy kind of thing. Smells good. This is probably gonna taste delicious as hell. Next, we have the carbs. So she gave me 2 flavors of this awesome vegan tofu noodle. Oh yes. And we have rice, and last but not least, protein noodles. I'm gonna cook this up crazy. This is turning out to be an awesome birthday so far. I came back to the apartment because I wanted to drop this stuff off, but now I'm gonna take my laptop and I'm gonna go get some work done in Shibuya. It's about that time, you know what I mean? And she also was telling me that in Nakameguro, there's a lot of like artsy kind of people there. So who knows? Maybe I'll pop out to Nakameguro after I'm done getting some work done in Shibuya. But I haven't shown y'all like a bunch of Shibuya content, especially with my camera, because I've been going between using my camera and using my phone. But on my birthday, it's about that time. I'm going to show y'all some really cool stuff in Tokyo with the camera, so you can get the real quality. Phone is cool and all, but the sensor size is really tiny and you can't really see all the quality. Especially when it gets blown up and when I add colors to it, it kind of falls apart. Unlike my Sony A7 III. So, let's go to Shibuya. Ooh, thank you, Kako. Hondo ni kansha shiteru. Let's get it going. Gotta protect my hair, you know the vibes. Portable charger. Alright, time to go to Shibuya.
Inokashida line, the Ginza subway line, the Hanzomon subway line.
Alright, I'm back to Shibuya. I'm about to find somewhere to post up and get some work done. My mom just called me. Hi, Mom. Thank you for your birthday wishes.
Elevation in your life, or financial increase, forgiveness in your heart, continue to be pleasant, and just good things and what all that you wish yourself, and 10,000 times more.
Appreciate you, Mom. I love you so much.
Love you too. Be safe, okay?
I will. That was a nice call. I got some cool oil for my hair because my hair is dry as hell. Shibuya's alive, but it's super touristy. So next I'm gonna go to Nakameguro. This place, I wish they had great service because it's just bare women working there, and I love to support women. I ain't gonna hold you, this place got shitty service. They took forever and didn't even have one of my orders, and I was like, oh, we only take cash. I'm like, bruh. That lady tried to tell me, oh, you can leave your camera too. I'm like, this shit expensive. I'm not leaving this shit. You can see where that is. I'm about to show y'all. This place. She recommended me to go to the 7-Eleven to get in and then be like, you got change? No, I don't got fucking change. You just asked me to go get bread. What you mean I got change? I don't got no damn change. I'm happy to get out of there, bro. Fuck that place. I'm gonna go to the real destination. It's still lit though. There's this spot right here on the 4th floor, Spincoaster. Yeah? I gotta walk. What the?
Hello.
これ開けますか?
はい、あと。
Where are you from?
Denmark.
I made music, so I was just in the area, and I was like, ooh, this is a cool spot.
Yeah.
It's my birthday, so I was like, yeah, let's see.
Oh, happy birthday.
Akoi. I wouldn't be a producer for videos if I only had one battery on me. I'll be easy. Yeah. Bye. Para arriba, para abajo, para centro, adentro. Skol, chin chin. Bye. Skol. Okay, maybe I'm crazy, but you don't want me around, yeah. 本当にありがとう. I'm having an amazing birthday. I just met this guy from Denmark who has a company that does like giving people parts and supply and whatnot. And he's giving me a lot of gems. We're talking about trading, making money, the beauty of life, advancing people, and I'm just so grateful. If you're watching this, just know life is what you make it. If I didn't just randomly pop out to this bar, I wouldn't have these conversations. I'm grateful. It's the best birthday. Mushroom and shit. Whoa. I'm not gonna hold you, I'm low-key drunk. I made new friends. My birthday's still going on technically because I was born 10:08 p.m. in New York. And right now it's 2:42 a.m. Oh, I need water. Yo, that was such a vibey birthday celebration. I need to go to bed. And let's look at. Yeah. Oh, I'm up. Going to bed.